The Peugeot 508-2, introduced in 2018 and still in production today, features PSA Group's ET8 automatic transmission system. The ET8 is an 8-speed automatic gearbox renowned for smooth gear changes and excellent fuel efficiency. This system uses advanced components like hydraulic torque converters and planetary gear sets for optimal power delivery. The E8 ensures seamless operation across 8 gears, adapting to driving conditions for maximum efficiency. This video will guide you on how to effectively use its shift modes and provide essential driving tips for optimal performance. The D mode is your default setting for everyday driving. The ET8 automatically selects the appropriate gear based on driving conditions, balancing performance and fuel economy. Simply engage D for seamless automatic shifting without manual intervention. For more control, switch to M mode on the gear lever. This enables manual shifting using the lever itself. You can also shift gears manually using the paddle shifters located behind the steering wheel. This is ideal for spirited driving or when you need precise gear control, such as during engine braking. Engage Sport mode for quicker acceleration and more aggressive gear changes. The transmission holds lower gears for longer, maximizing engine power. Use this mode sparingly, primarily for overtaking or when you desire a more engaging driving experience. Eco mode optimizes fuel savings by shifting to higher gears sooner and softening the throttle response. This mode is perfect for city driving, as seen on the dashboard display. The throttle response is softened in Eco mode, as shown in this graph comparing pedal input to throttle output. This helps you achieve the best possible fuel economy, typically around 4.5 to 5.0 liters per 100 kilometers combined. Some Peugeot 508-2 trims feature snow mode, designed specifically for challenging winter driving conditions. Snow mode limits engine power output to prevent wheel spin on slippery surfaces, improving traction and stability in snowy or icy conditions. By reducing power delivery, snow mode helps prevent wheel spin, ensuring the vehicle maintains grip and stability on snow or ice. Activate snow mode when encountering challenging winter weather conditions to maximize safety and control. Start in Eco mode for city driving to optimize fuel use, typically achieving 4.5 to 5.0 liters per 100 kilometers combined. Use Sport mode sparingly, such as on highways for overtaking, as it tightens shifts for quicker acceleration. Avoid abrupt accelerator presses to prevent unnecessary downshifts and maintain efficiency. In manual mode, shift up early to conserve fuel and downshift only when needed for engine braking. For hybrid models, coast in drive mode to recharge the battery through regenerative braking, extending electric-only range. Regular maintenance is crucial, including fluid changes every 60,000 kilometers, using approved synthetic oil to ensure gearbox longevity and avoid warranty issues. Looking ahead, future Peugeot 508 models will further integrate the automatic gearbox with hybrid systems for enhanced efficiency. The EAT8's compatibility with mild hybrids is becoming the standard, significantly reducing CO2 emissions. Watch for AI-driven predictive shifting in upcoming models, utilizing GPS data to automatically optimize gear selection based on upcoming terrain and driving conditions. The future of the Peugeot 508 points toward full electrification, with seamless software-defined transmission systems replacing traditional automatics for a more sustainable driving experience.